My recent record was that I was swimming underwater for 3 minutes and I solved seven pyramids in 3 minutes while swimming.
So how are you planning? Are there any more? Are you trying to do any more things related to the Pyraminx cube?
Related to these Rubik's cubes, I want to solve the Pyraminx or a 3x3 while skydiving. When I turn 16 or 18, then I could.
What all records do you have until now?
Till now, I have 4. So the first one is the UK Book of Records, where I have solved 130 Pyraminx while skating for 40 minutes. So that's over. And the next one is International Book of Records. There I solved 102 Pyraminx upside down. It took me like 25 minutes. And the other one is same International Book of Records while swimming, as I said you, swimming for 3 minutes, and I solved 7. And the last one is it's from Limca Book of Records. There I solved 49 3x3 standard ones in 15 minutes.
Shankar has been cubing since the age of 6 or 7, and it's his own interest. He learned through the YouTube videos, and all of a sudden we planned to create some records, and we did this. He currently holds four records.